Hey guys, so I've got a quick visual lesson to help you memorize and understand Hmong tones. So we've got 7 distinct tones. The first one, we'll do that visual, and it's a high tone. It's ba, ba. The name of this tone is called yi xia, and we use a B to represent this tone. Xia, xia, because the word xia hits the same pitch. Xia, which means high or high up or liver. Xia, xia, ba, ba, ba. The next one is a low settling tone. Ba, ba, ba. We use an M to signify that. Let me redo my M. There. And this is called yi nia, nia. The name for this is nia, which means mom. Same pitch. Ba, ba, nia, nia. The next one, ba, ba, ba. It's a high falling tone. We use a J to represent that pitch. Ba, ba. And it's called yin du, du, du. That's the word for sky. It has the same pitch. The next one, ba, ba, ba. It's a low rising tone. So the rising tone. This is called yi a, and we use a V to represent that tone. Ba, ba, ba. A means ground or dirt. And then the next one is ba, ba, ba. So this one has no letter representation or no sign representation. This one is what we call the neutral tone. It's not that it doesn't have a tone or that it doesn't have a pitch. It's only that we don't assign a symbol or a letter to represent the tone or pitch. So anytime you see a word without a letter or without a symbol, that just means it's neutral. Ba, ba, ba. We call this one yi. Or means to do something. Or, same pitch. Next one. Ba, ba, ba. This one we assign a S to make that sound. Ba, ba, ba. So that's a low consistent tone. So this one we call yi, mu, mu, mu. And this is called ba, ba, ba. I'm going to just make that prettier. It's not as pretty, but ba. This one is called yi ning, and we use a G to represent that. Now this one has natural aspiration, so that just means it has natural air with it. Ba, ba, like that. So again, ba, 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 ba. Yi xia, ba, yi nia, ba, yin du, ba, yi a, ba, yi o, ba, yi mu, ba, yi ning, ba.